What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Cargo Show. As promised in the last two videos, today we're packing for vacation. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm taking for a 2-week vacation on a tropical island. That's going to be the island of Tenerife, and what I'm taking with me is going to fit in only these 2 bags. Because I don't like checking in, I have a carry-on and a backpack. So let's look at what bags we're taking with us. This, as some of you may know, is my away luggage that I bought last August for my trip to Bulgaria, and it has performed flawlessly. It's a Minion themed suitcase carry-on that is made out of durable plastic, and it's just great. So, setting this aside, the new thing on the channel is this Low Pro Tactic 450 AW bag, and this is for the camera gear and miscellaneous stuff. So these are the 2 trusted bags coming with me. First, let's pack this bad boy. Okay, now let's pack all this in there. Okay, since we're going into warm climate, we are mainly going to take summer clothes. Now, in the away luggage compression part, we're going to put first a light sweater, actually like a t-shirt with long sleeve, and a light sweater, just because maybe at night it gets a little colder. Right here we have 5 t-shirts, actually 6 t-shirts, 4 of them with without collar and 2 of them with collar polo shirts. Since it's warm climate, we're taking 2 pairs of shorts and 1 pair of swimming shorts. Putting these on top right there. And we're taking 5 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of short socks, and a pair of long socks just in case. Now, I usually like keeping my underwear in a separate bag, and that's where this Whole Foods bag, vegetable bag, comes in handy. So we're gonna open this, slide all the underwear inside, like so, followed by the socks. There we go. Fold the opening of the bag, flip it around. This is what goes in the compression side of the away luggage. So just like so. This side is ready to go. On the hard side, I'm just going to put some shoes. And I'm only taking this pair of sneakers and this pair of flip-flops solely because it's warm weather, and I'm also going to be wearing a pair of other sneakers. We're not taking any formal shoes since the destination is a beach island and most of the places are casual. I like putting my shoes also in plastic bags like this. They don't get my suitcase dirty. And in go the flip-flops. Since I'm traveling from a cold destination to a warm destination, I'm going to leave this space open, and I'm traveling with a hoodie, light jacket, pair of sneakers and jeans, which if I need to store, this compartment will be empty and I can easily store them in there. So we close this hard compartment right here. And we close the suitcase itself. Super easy, the zippers are super nice. And we we have a TSA approved lock on top, just in case anybody wants to get into the luggage. And please do not forget, when you carry your away luggage, make sure you charge it, because it comes with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery and 2 USB ports to charge variable devices. Let's zoom in. In there are the ports. I don't know if you can see them on camera. This concludes the packing of my away luggage. Let's move to the Low Pro Tactic bag and my camera gear. Now let's put all this in there. Now I'm planning to make the full review of this backpack when I am in the Canary Islands. I'm also gonna have all these, what's in my backpack and my suitcase carry-on listed in the description below. But I chose this backpack because it can fit my 15-inch MacBook Pro, so I can edit on vacation. Also has a compartment, small compartment, with miscellaneous stuff like memory cards and USB sticks and other things like that. Now I adjusted these compartments from the way they came because I don't have that much gear, so I fit all my camera gear here, and here I can fit everyday stuff. So how we're gonna pack this? This is left for my camera, which I'm filming on. At the end, I'm gonna be filming on the GoPro, and I'm gonna show you how I put the camera in here. Right here, it's reserved for the microphone. These two tabs open just like this, so you can access those compartments. Here we go. So you can access the camera from over there. Now, what I'm taking with me is the 12 to 60 millimeter lens that you're looking through right now. I'm also going to take this 45 to 200 millimeter optically image stabilized Lumix Panasonic lens. Goes right in there. Light, self-explanatory, goes right in here. This is my Osmos deck station. If I don't bring my computer and want to use my phone, I hook it up to TV, use the keyboard and the mouse with my phone, and it's like a desktop experience. So we're gonna throw this in there as well as the mouse. Okay, keyboard lays flat right here at the bottom of the everyday compartment. My GoPro bag with adapters and mount. This bag right here, I carry all my chargers and batteries for the camera, for the GoPro, and for the light itself. It's a New Year LED light, so that fits snug right here on the side. Everything is nicely fitted. Extra charger. This lens hood cap I put right on top of the lens right there. Nice and easy. Here I carry a pouch where I carry the USB cable for the Osmos dock and other miscellaneous cables for all the chargers. So this fits right there on top. Small tripod in there. A suction cup to mount the GoPro. I'm planning on renting a car on vacation, so this is going to be stuck to the window on the inside or to the outside of the car while we're going to explore the island of Tenerife. This is a simple Joby mount that will be listed down on the description as well. And of course the GoPro. The GoPro, let's close this up. Very nice and easy. the GoPro fits in one of these little pockets, and it's always available for me to pull out and shoot something real quick. Now, the Joby tripod goes in this little mount right here. This little pocket, I fit 2 of the legs, and with this strap I just secure it so it doesn't go anywhere. There we go. And this is how we pack the Low Pro Pro Tactic 450 backpack. Now, if you hold on for a second, I'm gonna use this GoPro right here, and film how I pack the rest of my setup inside this bag. There we go. Alright, so here we have the camera. We simply turn it off, take the little microphone out, and this is what's left. The camera fits right in this pocket right here. You open it from the side, even if the camera bag is on your back, put it in nice and secure. Same thing on this side with the microphone. Even though I have the tripod on, this simply opens up. There's enough opening. I don't know if you can see this. It's a good enough opening. You stick the microphone in there. Nice and secure. And just like that, this backpack is also packed. Now that my bags are packed, my away luggage, carry-on, and my Low Pro Pro Tactic 450 AW, I just need to find somewhere to park Slate because I'll be on vacation for 2 weeks, and with street cleaning in New York City, it's really difficult to leave your car, or you're gonna come back and either it's gonna be towed or you're gonna have a hefty fine to pay, or a few of them. So in the next video, we're gonna find somewhere to park Slate for the time being, since I don't have a garage. And if you did like what you see, hit the thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And if you are excited about the vacation and the future videos, please subscribe for a lot more of them to come. Bye!